Animal activists broke into Midland Bacon, a piggery in northern Victoria, to expose how the pork you eat is produced. They installed secret cameras.
That is the most harrowing footage I have ever seen.
Inquiry will also hear allegations of bestiality at Midland Bacon. Farm Transparency Project's secret cameras captured vision of what appears to be a man performing a sexual act against a pig. 7:30 can reveal on Tuesday police charged 30-year-old Carag Carag man Bradley O'Reilly at the facility with bestiality.